Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Windows notifications on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, and right here enter the system. Here should be able to find notifications, and that way you can activate or deactivate notifications from Windows. You can also click on the arrow next to it to manage notifications even more, like allow notifications to play sounds, show notifications on the lock screen, show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. And also, when we scroll down, you should be able to find all of the apps that you have installed on this console and activate or deactivate them for notifications. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.